welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do this fun little festival look. We are starting off with a fresh face and going in with a pretty light foundation because we are going to bronze to the gods later. Going in with concealer, just doing my normal skin routine. Setting all of that with a translucent powder. And now we're going to go in with our Thin Lizzy bronzer, and do not put this much on your brush because it's super pigmented. I'm just dotting it in the areas that I want it and then blending. It's a festival look, so we're allowed to look super bronzed for this one, so go ham. Working on that double chin as well. Now we're taking a really iridescent light highlighter, and I'm just putting that everywhere, and then I'm going in with a more intense one for that intense festival glow. Going in with a super pigmented yellow eyeshadow, and I'm starting to build up that colour in the inner part of the eye, and I'm dragging it right down the nose. And then on the inner part of the eye we're going in with a orange, blend that right down into that inner corner, and now a super intense pink. Drag that out towards the brow and blend it with the orange and yellow. Going under the eye with a purple. And I'm really dragging that out to the temples. Now I'm taking a yellow aqua paint. This is a neon yellow, and I'm making a little crease line design and then a wing just on the outer part of the eye. It's not going the whole way across the lash line. Add some mascara. I didn't feel like doing lashes today, so we're just keeping the lashes quite simple. Now I wanted natural brows but super full, so I'm taking a brow mascara and I'm just really packing this on and making the brows look really full but natural. I wanted to do a dark lip to contrast against all those bright colours on the eyes, and I am packing on a iridescent white green kind of colour on the middle because it makes it look super fun. Taking a little pink iridescent eyeliner and doing some wee details around the brows and eyes. And now I'm taking these are actually little nail stickers, but I'm using them to make a wee head design. Got to have some kind of gems on the face for a festival look. And I decided that wasn't enough colour, so I'm going in with some yellow into the contours of the face. And then I am darkening with the orange. Now the fun part, we're adding some glitter. This is bio glitter, so it's not going to damage the earth. When it comes off, it completely biodegrades. So I'm adding that under the eyes and up into the hairline, and then I'm taking this little iridescent glitter and sprinkling that all through my hair. Don't worry, this washed out super easily. It just comes out. A little bit on the lip as well. And now we're going to add some fun stuff to the chest area. So I'm taking this rainbow split cake. Well, technically it's not rainbow, it's just pinky. I think it's like a sunrise split cake. And I'm just making a little design on my chest here. I didn't really have any plan for this. I'm just winging it. Adding a wee heart gem into the center. This totally made me think of like Care Bears. Adding some more bio glitter. And that's the look. I hope you enjoy this super fun, bright, colourful festival look. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye!